I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practice and their prominence one word at a time. Let's talk about thought leadership as client service and as a scalable client service tool. It's tempting to think about thought leadership only as a marketing and or business development tool, but it's got some pretty cool client service applications. And one of them is it allows you to answer your clients' questions at scale. When a lawyer is hearing from a number of different clients regarding the same issue, the same proposed new legislation, the same court decision, they should think to themselves, I have an opportunity here to write a piece of thought leadership content, whether it's a blog, whether it's an article, maybe even record a podcast episode, but it's a chance to create thought leadership content that isn't just focused on business development or marketing, but it's a way to answer many clients' questions at once. It is as much an efficiency play as it is a marketing and business development play. So when you have a question that's being asked often by many clients, let's think about thought leadership as a way to answer that question. There are a number of benefits when you treat your thought leadership efforts as a scalable client service tool. So obviously, the first benefit is that it gets you out in front of many of your active and inactive clients, because you are going to obviously be advising these clients on this development because so many clients have come to you and asked you questions about the development, the trend, whatever. So first benefit, it goes out there to your inactive and active clients. It gives you another chance to get out in front of them and show that you've got the knowledge and wisdom required to help them with their legal and business issues. Again, as I said earlier, it saves you time. You don't have to answer the same questions from client after client after client. Instead of spending half an hour talking with your clients, 5, 10 of them, well, if you just spend 2 hours writing an article, you come out better. You come out ahead because you've spent less time overall. Now, that doesn't mean that you won't still talk to your clients about these questions if they have concerns, if they have issues they think that may be raised and they want your help with. You're still going to engage with them one-on-one, but at least from the initial problem solving, the initial answering of their questions, you can streamline that by creating this kind of thought leadership piece of content and get out in front of them proactively to answer their questions. Of course, this content can still be used for marketing and business development efforts. You can repurpose it for your newsletter, for your own social media feed, and you can also publish this online so people who are searching for it who don't know you or who you don't know, they can search for it online, come across you, and be impressed by the knowledge and wisdom that you possess regarding this issue or this trend or whatever else is prompting these questions from clients. Thought leadership. Fantastic marketing and business development tool, but it can be a scalable client service tool. And when you've got a lot of clients talking to you about the same questions, about the same issues, about the same trends, that's when you should create thought leadership and educate your clients, active and inactive ones, at the same time and in a way that's much more efficient than one-on-one phone calls from here until next week or next month. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership content that shows off your knowledge and wisdom on a consistent basis, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.